Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Shiba Inu Coin on Binance US. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is actually deposit US dollars onto your Binance account, and I have a video on how to do that linked above. So after you've deposited US dollars onto Binance US, you have to convert that US dollars to USDT, which is US dollar tether. So that's what we're going to do here. So along the very bottom, you'll see multiple icons. You're going to click on the bar graph. Okay, from there, you're going to stay under the USD section, and at the top right, you'll click on that magnifying glass. You're going to type in USDT. Okay, at the very top there, you see USDT/US dollars. So that's basically saying you're going to buy USDT using US dollars. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, now I'm going to click on buy. And right here, just for simplicity's sake, I'm going to stay under market order. However, you could buy via limit order if you want to know the differences between market order and limit order. I have another video on that as well. So click on the link on the screen, or there'll be links to it in the description below. So I'm just going to buy, let's say, $15 worth of USDT. Right now, you can see my available balance. I have $102 on Binance US. So I'm going to click on place buy order, and just like that, my order has been filled. Now I already had about $10 of USDT on Binance US, so right now I have a total of about like $25, I'd say. So next thing we're going to do is going to buy Shiba Inu Coin with USDT. So at the very top, you're going to click on USDS. So click on that, and we're going to buy Shiba Inu Coin with USDT. So that's why we have to convert US dollars to US dollar tether, because right now you can't buy Shiba Inu Coin with just US dollars. You have to use USDT. So at the top there, you see SHIB/USDT. So we're going to click on that. And at the bottom, you see a buy or sell option. So we're going to click on buy. And again, I'm just going to stick with market order for simplicity's sake, and I'm going to use 100% of my USDT in order to buy Shiba Inu Coin. However, you could just change the percentages here. Like say if I only wanted to use 25% of my USD tether, you could just mess with those buttons there, but I'm going to use 100% and buy over 1 million shares of Shiba Inu Coin. Now, I'm not recommending you buy this or anything. This is just something that I'm doing because I just want to see what happens. So at this point, I'm going to click on place buy order. And there we go. Your Shiba US dollars market order has been filled. Okay, going back over to my portfolio. So you could see that I currently own a little over 1 million shares of Shiba Inu Coin. So hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.